All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to your seventh episode on this series, Web Design 101. In this series, we are going to look at list, how to define list on your web page. So I'm going to use H1 and I will type list like this. I know by now we all know what a H1 element is. So we have two types of list. Okay, we have ordered list and the other one is unordered list. So what's the difference between these two, ordered and unordered? So ordered list is a list which is in order in a particular format. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, or A, B, C, D, E, F up to the last letter, or in numerals. In Roman numerals. Then we also have a new one that was added in I think HMS 3, which is description list. Okay, so we are going to look at these three types of list today. Good. So let's start with the ordered list. I'm going to use H3 ordered list. Good. So before that, let's also look at something. We have OL, which stands for ordered list. That's the element OL. Then we also have UL, which stands for unordered list. Okay. Then we have LI, which stands for list item. You get it? Good. So we are dealing with OL, which is ordered list. So I'm supposed to open OL element like this. Now inside the element, there is another element which is a nested element. We call it list item like this. So this LI reside inside the OL. So the first list I'm going to use is Richard. Okay. Then the second list I'm going to use Hendrix. Then I'll use Alec Li. Then I'll use Backman. Okay, Backman. Then let me add another one. I'll use Dinash like this. Then I'll save it. Control S. Then I'll go to the folder beginner HTML. Then I'll double click on it to get it. I think I have over zoomed it. Good. So this list over here is the H1 and the second one here is the H3. So you see we have Richard, Hendricks, Alec, Bachman, and Dinash. But we didn't add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where from this? It is there because we use the OL ordered list so that the list will be in order. You get it? Good. So that is the output of ordered list. So the only difference between ordered list and unordered list in the coding aspect is the U and the O. So I'll copy this same code, and I'll paste it. Change this O to U. Then I'll change this to U again. Then I'll save it. I'll go back, then refresh the page. So you see the difference. This one is having is displaying in the bulletin form dot 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 dot, and these guys they are in numbers. Okay. Now I want to specify an attribute to the first one. So let's say I want it to start from 5 instead of starting from 1, 2, 3 up to 5. I want to start from 5 up to 10. Okay, so I have to specify an attribute. So I'll leave one space here. Then the attribute I want to specify is start. Okay, equal to then double quote. Then I'll put 5 over there. hit Control S and refresh. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. So that is the start attribute. Then we can also put a type attribute. Let's say A. I'll hit hold and press Control S to save it. Control S again, Control R to refresh. I have it in alphabetical order. Likewise, I can also put small I, Control S to save, then Control R to refresh. Have it in Roman numerals. So that is ordered list. And also with the unordered list, I can also apply an attribute of type. Then I'll say circle. Okay, circle, Control S to save, then go back to the browser, Control R to refresh. So I have it in this particular circle. Then I can put square over there, Control S to save, then Control R to refresh. I think the spelling was not right. It's square. That is good. Control S, then refresh. So I have it in a square form. So now let's see the other one, which is um description. I mean, let me copy this guy. So this is unordered, and this is um description list. Okay, so the element is BL. Okay, to open the description list. Then we have another element within it. Okay, the next element is going to be DT, that is description title. So I'm going to say Africa. Okay, then inside Africa, I'm going to have another DD, that is description data. I'm going to put Ghana, DD, I'll put Burkina Faso. Okay, then I'll put DD, put Togo, right? Good. These are countries from West Africa. Then I can have another DT again, and let's say um Europe. Then I have DD. Okay, then I put France. Another DD. Say UK. Another DD. Then I put Spain. So I'll save this guy, Control S, then go back to the code, then refresh. So let's see the output. I'll scroll down. Good. So you see how it has displayed. Africa is having these um, countries. Europe, okay, the spellings, never mind. The Europe is also having these guys. So let me put this dash over there so that it can display nice. Dash, 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 then dash. Then I'll change this to P, Europe. Control S to save, then I'll refresh. So I have it in this order. Okay, so Ghana has run away. Ghana. So we have something like this, something very cool. So this is whole lot about list. So I will end this video here, and thanks for watching. Please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends and families. See you next time. Bye bye.